MyFirstWig to show you guys how to slay a wig in a hurry, real quick, super simple, fresh out of the box. Again, this is from MyFirstWig. I have worked with them before, and this time I got a bob style. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So MyFirstWig always comes with really cute stuff inside, and this is just kind of like generally what it's looking like right now. But there's a bunch of stuff in here, so I'm gonna pull it out. It comes with the standard wig caps here. And it also comes with this really cute pouch with their name on it, and then it has stuff inside. Okay, so you get some bobby pins. You also get a clip, an elastic band that's actually thick, a really nice high quality rat tail comb. Literally, oh my gosh, the one that I use is by them. Instructions. Okay, this is cute. Now they have this flyaway tamer stick. So it looks like a little mini deodorant stick to tame the flyaways. I'm gonna actually try this today. And then now, of course, 𝗣𝗿𝗃. So it comes in this really cute pouch. Of course, all the wig specifics will be listed down below. Here is the wig. This is what the front looks like. This is what the inside looks like. Look at that super deep parting right there. This is a 6-inch part. Oh yay, I've never worked with one of those before. Okay, so I cut off the lace, and now what I'm gonna do is just focus on the center part area, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on it. This is just some L'Oreal True Match, just what I use for lace. I have the color Cappuccino, and I always use like a blunt brush. So yeah, I just basically, all right, now that I got the center with some foundation on it, just so that it can match my skin tone a little bit. It does come with clips everywhere, which is really nice. Oh, it has a side part. Oh. I'm gonna put some foundation on my cap. I didn't remember that this was actually going to be a side part. Whew, look at that bump I got going on. Let me go ahead and get the flat iron ready. And the cap fits perfectly, like I don't have to cut off anything excess. So I'm just gonna pull my hair back and get it out of the way, and then I'm gonna start applying my glue. So I did get the actual packaging for the 𝗍𝗃 glue that I showed you guys a couple videos back. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this 𝗍𝗃 glue here and go ahead and just start dotting it right along my hairline. So the wig is gonna sit like here. And so this glue is safe for your hair. It is completely safe for your hair. The last time I used it, nothing happened at all when I was washing it out. Just gonna do a quick little session of dots. And now you can take the back of the rat tail comb . Let's smooth it back. And then while you're holding it down, just go ahead and press with the back of the rat tail comb. Now it's already pretty stuck. I don't know why that's turning blue, maybe because of my makeup, but it's already stuck on me. I'm just gonna add a little bit more right here because I missed this area. I didn't put the glue up far enough. So okay, so yeah, I just gotta let that do what it does, and I'm just gonna do the same thing across my whole hairline. Okay, so this side is still drying, but I'm going to take these clips down anyways because it's going to dry pretty fast. This side is done and all the glue is gone. It's a little bit here, but this side is good. We didn't need to do any plucking because she comes pre-plucked, so that looks pretty natural. And now I just need to flatten this down. That is it. I'm gonna start up here at the top since this is still drying, but take small sections and really press on that area there, then smooth it down. These ones, woo, child, the movement. Yes. Continue to straighten this, and then I'm gonna try out this flyaway stick because I definitely need it. Now I'm going to take the flyaway tamer stick. It's so cute. It comes in like a deodorant type of thing. That is so cute. Okay, so it's like wax. It's like a wax. All right, this is actually working. There are a lot of short pieces though. I do need to mention that. There are a lot of short pieces, but this is handling it. This did an amazing job. I mean, this is how the sides of the hair is looking. So this was a super quick and easy lace wig slay. This wig fits very snug on my head. I honestly do not feel like this elastic band is necessary for my head, but if you have a smaller head, this is going to come in handy. There's a lot of different ways to apply your wig, but using the glue was faster to me than using got2b because of how many layers you have to do with the blow dryer and how messy it is and just how long that takes. With this glue, it takes so much less time. It's so snug, you know, it's pull proof, super easy to do for beginners. Let me turn around. I literally have been talking to y'all and I forgot to do the back. Let me go ahead and do that. But while the flat iron is heating up, yeah, but it's just so nice. It comes pre-plucked. It comes with that 6-inch part. It comes with the pre-tweezed part, and the cut is already done. I didn't have to do any cutting at all. And the fit was perfect from ear to ear. So this was like one of the best wig application experiences that I've ever had, honestly. Just how quick and easy this was. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free, and I post videos multiple times a week. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.